Chapter 6, page number 131, question number 2. Open MS Excel. So before solving it, read the question properly. So we have to create a small table showing forest coverage of India. So click on A1 cell using the mouse and select A1 and A2. So now using the mouse, we have to select the two cell. Then click on merge and center. So now two cells, they become a single cell. Now type the heading forest coverage of India. So it is not visible properly. So now click on in between A, bring a mouse cursor in between A and B, and you can increase the size of wide of the column. See, the column wide of the column is increased. Now click on the cell and click on bold. So bold effect has been given. So you can further increase the size of the column if you want. Then type the name and then area. The next cell area, B2 cell area, and kilometer. Now these two, it should be in a square. So select the word, select the letter 2, and then click on, right click on it and click on format cell, then click on superscript, click on OK. So now see 2 becomes superscript. So square, these singles 2 become square. So select the number or letter, right click on it, click on format cell, and then click on superscript. Now you can again similarly you can give it a bold effect, click on the cell and then give a bold effect. Now very dense forest, very dense forest, type the value 83,471. So letters are left aligned and numbers are right aligned. Then moderately dense forest. So now again you have to increase the wide of the column. So click on in between A and B and increase the wide of the column. Clicking the mouse, drag it, then type the another value 3,20,736. Then next open forest. So when we do this sum, always read the question properly. After solving, completing everything, what we have to do. So this value we have entered. Now if you look at the question page 131, so we have to change the alignment of the heading. So alignment of the heading, this heading forest cover of India, we have to change it. So heading, now read the question properly. So little bit increase the wide of the column. So now click on name and then click on alignment, right align. Suppose it is right align, then center align. So click on the cell, then click on alignment button. So now select the entire table and then you can increase the size, font. So now see, I have increased the font size. I made it 16. Select the entire table, then click on size and increase the size. Then similarly, select table, you can increase the, then change the font face also. Suppose I have changed it to Berlin Sans. So now font face has been changed. Select it and click on the respective color or size or face, whatever you want. So I have also further increased the size of this column wide. Now again select the cell and suppose give it some different color. Now suppose I have given it some different color. Click on this color icon, font color icon, and give it a different color. So very simple. Select the, using the mouse, select it and do your respective different formatting. So these things has been asked. Then we have to give a border and shading also. So next see, so heading has been changed, alignment has been changed, font size, color has been changed. Now question number 2C, we have to give apply border and shading. So click on it, then click on cell formatting, format cell, right click for format cell, then click on border, select a border, select a thickness border, then select either outer or inside. So here select the cells, then right click on it, click on format cell, click on border, select one type of border, then click on either outer or inside, outside or inside. So here suppose I have selected outside, so outside a border will come. So outside border will come, and you can also select, give a border color also. So click on color, then suppose choose a color here. I have chosen green color. So a border has been applied to this table. Right click, click on format cell, then change the border color. So again I have format cell, then change the border color. So I have repeated it so that you can easily find it out how to change the border. Select either outside or inside, then click on OK and change the color. So border has been changed. So you can find a border around this table, then click on file, click on save. Every time you do anything, always save it. So give it a name, suppose I have given it here question number, and then finally click on save button. So finally click on save button. So give the question name and click on save button.